you a quick breakdown of what aura is, since we see it on all the TikTok trends nowadays with anime and spiritual principles or whatever. Spiritual edits. Essentially, you have an electromagnetic field around your body, and that electromagnetic field is produced by the pineal gland, pituitary gland, so known as the third eye. It's in the center of the brain. That's one field. The other field is in the heart, which is also associated with the thymus gland. So that is essentially the other field, which is the one that amplifies this field. So you can think about this as a compass, and this as a magnetic device, which polarizes you to whatever shape or thing is in your heart. So that is not limited to just love of the romantic kind, but it could be love for sport, or love for craft, or love for something that you're working on, and you essentially entangle with that thing, and you build connections in the body and in the cosmos between you and that thing. So by doing that, you can actually reach out to that energy wherever it exists in the cosmos, and through strengthening this aura, and through this being in a state of whole brain state, and this being in a state of heart coherence, when you are in that state of whole brain state and heart coherence, by the two brain waves being aligned, and that being aligned with your heart and the higher principles of your heart, that field can actually project over the entire earth, which is why we actually sense the energy of the environment, and you can actually tap into the connection between you and all the things on the planet, because you have a magnetic field around you, and the earth has an electromagnetic field around it, which protects us from the solar radiation of the sun and from solar flares and solar winds. But essentially, you can tap into that energy, and that's why you are able to send and receive information with other pieces of the environment and other pieces of the planet. So you can even talk or send psychic signals to other people on the other side of the world, and they'll be able to perceive it if they are receptive enough to that information. But it's refreshing knowing that however far away you are from your beloved, you can still interact with them on a soul level. So you can always find your way back to each other, because what is in your heart cannot be lost. So unless you are not in alignment within yourself and not in alignment with your principles, but when you are, then it is no problem. And then you have also just the effects of what goes on here with wave-particle duality, which is just that the particle or energy is aware of when you are looking at it, when you are not looking at it, and when you are looking at it, it knows that you are looking at it, it's looking at you, and it transforms into a particle. But when you leave and nobody's looking at it, it transforms back into a wave. That's wave-particle duality. So if you like this short clip, I encourage you to like, subscribe,